Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to the street of Lagos. You're also welcome to your program on Kola K1 TV. It is your program Top 10 Naija Musical Video.
Hey, what is all this now?
Gentlemen, you're welcome to the street of Lagos. You're welcome to your program on Kola K1 TV. You're also welcome to the program Top 10 Naija Musical Video.
Hey, what I do? Can't you see that you're boring? I don't even know that somebody is here. Cameraman, stop. What I do now? Act track what you're doing. 1, 2, ready, action.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to the street of Lagos. You're also welcome to Kola K1 TV. You're welcome to your program Top 10 Naija Musical Video.
Hey, keep quiet. You are boring. What kind of speak out that? Just act swag. You're not just what you are doing. 1, 2, go.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to the street of Lagos.
Stop. Act swag. You are boring. Bros, are you ready?
Yes.
Action.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to the street of
Stop,
Lagos.
cameraman. What are you doing? 1, 2, go.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to the street of Lagos.
Shut up. What? Cameraman, stop. What are you doing? I said you should act swag. Act swag. 1, 2, go.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to the street of
Hey,
Lagos.
which one should I do? 1, 2, ready, action.
Owó ní gbogbo jágàjàgà Mr. Producer ìgan sọ gan. Ṣé mo fẹ́ para mi ni? Ṣé mi ò tún ṣe dáadáa báyìí ni? Àbí kí ló fẹ́ kí n ṣe gan? Tún ṣe dáadáa ni? Ṣé o fẹ́ kó para mi ni? Ó dàgbà o sì máa lọ pé VJ Adams wá. O sì máa lọ pé VJ Adams wá nínú tó ń bá bọ̀ yìí. Ṣé mo fẹ́ para mi ni? Kódé mi ò ráyè gbogbo jágàjàgà yìí o.
Take it easy, ọ̀gá yìí gan-an burú gan.
What are you saying?
No, I'm not talking to you.
Okay, what is he saying?
He's asking me if I have more battery on my camera.
Idiot, like this. He thought I don't understand your language. He's all this while. Because I've sent to you guys, he's all this while.